Why do some people seem to learn languages incredibly fast? They don't just memorize vocabulary. They don't rely on boring grammar rules. Yet somehow, they think, speak, and understand faster than most learners. Today, we're going to explore a powerful idea often associated with how Jewish learners approach learning, and how you can apply it to your English journey. It's not about talent. Let's get one thing clear. This is not about intelligence. It's not about genetics. It's about how they learn. The key difference is this. They focus on thinking, questioning, and understanding deeply, not just memorizing. Instead of asking, "What does this word mean?" they ask, "Why is this used here? How can I use it in different situations?" This mindset changes everything. Learning through questions. One of the most powerful habits is asking questions. Instead of passively reading or listening, they actively engage with the language. For example, instead of just learning, "I made a mistake," they might ask, "Why make and not do? What other words go with make? Can I say make a decision?" This creates connections. And when your brain connects ideas, it remembers faster. Learning is not about collecting information. It's about building understanding. Repetition with meaning. Another key idea is repetition, but not boring repetition. They don't repeat words randomly. They repeat with meaning and variation. For example, "I made a mistake." "I made a big mistake." "I made a mistake yesterday." Same structure, different context. This helps the brain recognize patterns, build flexibility, speak more naturally. Repetition plus variation equals real fluency. Learning in context. Instead of learning isolated words, they learn language in context. That means full sentences, real conversations, meaningful situations. Because a word alone is weak, but a word inside a sentence is powerful. Context shows you how language actually works. Focus on usage, not perfection. Another powerful principle. They use the language early. They don't wait to be perfect. They speak with mistakes. They experiment. They try. Because they understand this truth. Fluency comes from using the language, not studying it. Perfection slows you down. Action moves you forward. How you can apply this? You don't need a special background to learn like this. Here's what you can do. 1. Ask more questions. If you want to learn English effectively, don't just memorize information. Try to understand it deeply. When you learn a new word or sentence, ask yourself questions. Why is it used this way? In what situations can I use it? Can I say it in another way? This helps your brain think, not just remember. Memorizing gives you short-term knowledge, but understanding gives you long-term ability. The more questions you ask, the deeper your learning becomes. So don't just accept information. Question it, explore it, and truly understand it. 2. Learn in full sentences, not single words. Many learners focus on memorizing isolated words. But words alone are not enough. Real English is built in sentences. Instead of learning just eat, food, or hungry, learn how they work together. I am hungry. I want to eat. This food is delicious. This helps you understand how English is actually used in real life. Sentences give you structure, meaning, and context. They make speaking easier and more natural. So don't just collect words. Learn how to use them in real sentences. 3. Repeat with small changes. One powerful way to improve your English is through repetition with variation. Keep the same sentence structure, but change a few words. For example, I am tired. I am very tired. I am a little tired. I like coffee. I like tea. I like hot coffee. This helps your brain recognize patterns instead of memorizing isolated sentences. You learn how English is built, not just individual phrases. It also makes speaking easier because you are not starting from zero every time. So repeat, but don't copy blindly. Change small details and learn how sentences work. 4. Use English every day. If you want real progress, English must become part of your daily life. Even short and simple sentences are powerful. You don't need long conversations or perfect grammar. Just use what you know. Say simple things like, I'm going to work. I'm eating now. I feel happy today. The goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. When you use English every day, your brain gets used to it naturally. Slowly, speaking becomes easier and more automatic. So don't wait for big opportunities. Use English in small moments every day. 5. Stop chasing perfection. Many learners delay speaking because they want everything to be perfect. Perfect grammar. Perfect pronunciation. But that mindset slows you down. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is. Start using the English you already know. Even if it's simple. Even if it's not perfect. Say what you can with what you have. That's how progress begins. The more you use your current level, the faster you improve. Waiting for perfection only creates fear. Taking action builds confidence. So don't aim to be perfect. Aim to start and keep going. At the end of the day, the secret is not about who you are. It's about how you think. If you learn actively, if you question deeply, if you use the language every day, you will improve faster than you ever imagined. Because fluency is not built by memorizing. It's built by understanding and using. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.